Didn't know that was possible, but it is. It's -2 degrees. -2 degrees. And we got like, I don't know, 7 inches of snow total, maybe 8. I bet she gets the low-hanging fruit for sure. Is freaking deep. It's my whole boot gone. I gotta check my baby. Alright, 2006 GMC. It's pretty clean on the inside. Got 190 something thousand miles on it, 195. And it sounds a bit like this. A little 4.8. Sounds like it's passenger side. He drove it here like this, so I'm not too concerned about it running sounding like dog turds. So I'll probably take off this side, take the valve cover off over here, see what I can see, and then we'll go from there. But she's noisy. It's also got codes, so I'll check the codes and make sure it correlates with what I'm hearing on that side of the engine. That's a big number. 46,000 misfires on cylinder 4. 46,000. And then I got current misfires up to 125 just with a very short run time. So that's the side we're going to target, which would be 2, 4, 6, 8, I think. So we'll double check, see what we got, let you know. All the way down. Well, that's not supposed to happen. You could see it when it was running, that this one was just kind of sitting there, kind of shaking, not really actuating the valve. So I got the intake manifold off. I'll get this valley cover off. We'll look at the lifter, pop this rocker arm off, and see what she looks like. Okay, down this hole here, That's your camshaft. On your camshaft sits this part, which is a lifter, and then this is your lifter that sits on your camshaft. So every time that lobe comes around on the cam, it bumps up. And then that part, which this is supposed to be part of it, you can see some of the retaining clip that's broken. So this push rod then sits on the lifter. So then the push rod transfers that energy up into your rocker arm, and then you can see here, well, you can see better on this one. So as that push rod comes up, boom, it pushes down, and it pushes down on this, which is your valve, and then your valve opens up, and that lets air in or air out. And what happened with this, obviously this lifter said, nah, I've had enough. And so that's why he had a misfire, that's why he had lots of noise, and it also wasted this push rod, which not really surprising. So I'll give the customer a call, let them know what's going on, and we'll go from there.